If you're collaborating or working on another computer, the other party might not have the linter configured. Since your colleague needs to run the build to work with the site anyway, why not have the build run the linter and complain when something goes wrong? Install the Gulp ESLint package and require it in the head of your Gulp file. Turns out the basic example on the Gulp ESLint README works well for us, so I'm just going to copy it and paste it into my Gulp file. As you'll notice, this task looks very familiar. It has the Gulp source call, but this time fetches JS files, then uses pipes to do a few things with ESLint. The first pipe executes ESLint on all files matched. The second line outputs the errors to the console, so we actually see what happened. And the third pipe ensures that Gulp exits with an error code and fails. Without that line, Gulp would show the errors but would proceed with everything else. Now we could execute the task manually, but let's integrate it into our default task. First, add it to the second argument array after styles, so it runs right after running Gulp in the terminal. Then add a new line after Gulp watch to add a new Gulp watch, this time watching the JS files and calling lint instead of styles. The best thing is that we can later reuse this new watcher to do even more great things to our JS. And there we go. Try resetting Gulp in the terminal and make some changes to your JS to see linting appear in your terminal after every save. To wrap things up, there's a third, almost desperate way of forcing ESLint up on your project collaborators. With a pre-commit hook, you can let everyone go crazy on their own file systems, but as soon as they want to commit a change to the shared Git repository, ESLint will run, error out, and not let the commit through. In order to learn more about pre-commit hooks, you should check out our source control Udacity course.